This 2017 Keystone Montana High Country 370BR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 7, DVD player, auxiliary battery, awning, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, oven, LP detector, microwave, external shower, leveling jacks, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Montana High Country 370BR is 11,883 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.